Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate one variable stats on your TI Nspire. We're starting from the home page, so if you're not there you can click. We're going to hit number 1, new document. If it asks if you want to save, just say no. We are going to add number 4, a list and spreadsheet. Whenever we put data in, it's into a list and spreadsheet. I'm going to put a title on top, score. And let's input a couple of test scores, 82, 84, 74, 95, and let's say 98. There's two ways to do calculations. One is to do them right here on the spreadsheet, and the other way is to do them on a calculator page. I'm going to show you the spreadsheet first because it has a benefit, which I'll show you in a minute. We're going to start off with the menu bar. Whenever I want to do something fancy, I hit menu, and we're going to go down to statistics. And if we were going to tell it, hey, I want to make a calculation, and we're going to tell it we have one variable. Our one variable is score. We have one list, so we're going to tab down and say OK. And now we have pull-down menus. The name of my list is score. We're going to leave everything else blank and tab down to OK. This first number is the mean. This is standard deviation for the sample, which you'll use later. This is population standard deviation. This is N, how many scores, our minimum score, our lower quartile, our median, our upper quartile, and our maximum. And we have just the sum of the squares, which you'll learn later on. What's nice about doing calculations on the spreadsheet is if I go over here and I change the first score to 100, the mean and the median and everything else change to go along with it. Again, if I go to the second score and change it to a 92, the variables representing the mean and median and everything will change as necessary. Now another way to do this is to add a page and go Control Doc. Notice right above the doc it says plus page, and we're going to choose one, add a calculator. Again, want to do something fancy, we hit menu and we're going to go to number 6, statistics class. Number 1, stat calculation. Number 1, one variable. We're going to tab to OK. Our list was named score. We're going to tab down and hit OK. Again, all of my information will be right on this page. The only issue with this is if I go back and I change something on the first page, it will not change the mean. So if I want to go back a page, I go Control left arrow. If I go right here and I change this to a 90, that 91.8 for the mean changed. But if I go Control right arrow, it's still 91.8 on the calculator page. So the spreadsheet page is dynamic, the calculator page is not. Play this video whenever you get stuck on how to do one variable stats, and I'm sure it'll be really helpful.